Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating this look what you see right here, and to create this look all the products which I used are under 350 rupees. Actually most of the products are under 300 rupees, but there are a couple of products which were around 350, so that's why I'm saying that all the products are under 350, but most products are under 300 rupees. So basically I created this look using all the affordable products. Now these products are affordable, but now I'm not compromising on the quality. They are very good quality products, so they are affordable and they are of very good quality. They perform really well, and I actually love all these products. And इसमें से कुछ ऐसे products हैं जो कि मेरे most favorite products हैं. Also I have done detailed reviews on many of these products, so I'll link those videos here and in the description box for you. So if you are interested, you can check those videos out for more information. But yeah, in today's video I'll be using these products to create this look. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So let's start with eyebrow, and for that I'm using this product from Swiss Beauty. This is actually a 2-in-1 product. So when you open the top part of it, you get this eyebrow product, and when you screw it open, here is your gel eyeliner. I really like this eyebrow product. It is very easy to work with, and this color also is just perfect for me. Since it's a powder product, I'll set it with this eyebrow mascara. This is from Essence. It's their Make Me Brow Mascara. Now I'll quickly clean my eyebrows and come back. So I want an illuminating base, and for that I'm using this product from Swiss Beauty. This is their Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. So it's a highlighting primer which you can apply under your foundation to have a illuminating base. It doesn't contain any chunky glitter particles. It has very tiny shimmers, and it provides a very nice glow to the face. It's a very good alternative for a strobing cream. So you can see it provides a very nice glow to the face, and these shimmer particles which are present in this highlighting primer are not that visible. It's a primer, but since it's a highlighting primer, it doesn't do anything to your pores. So for that I'll be using this primer from Insight. It's their 3-in-1 primer, protects and moisturizer. This one is a silicone based primer. So I'm applying this primer on the areas where I have more pores, and since it's a silicone based primer, it blurs your pores really well and it provides a very nice smooth base. Next I'm using this cover pot from Cuffs and Lashes in the shade 08. I'm actually not using as a foundation. I won't apply this product all over my face. I'll only use this to cover these marks. For foundation, I'll use some other foundation. These cover pots from Cuffs and Lashes are very good, very easy to work with, very easy to blend, and they provide a very good coverage as well. And this is a creamy product, but still it doesn't feel heavy on the face. Next for foundation, I'm using this Miss Claire foundation. I have this one in the shade Neutral Buff. The shade which I'm using is not a perfect match for me. It is little bit orange, but I'll make it work. Now to blend this foundation, I'm using this sponge from Mars Cosmetics. I recently tried this foundation and I really liked it. It provides a very nice medium to buildable coverage, and it's very easy to blend. It's very easy to work with, and it also comes in 15 different shades, which is a very good thing because generally in affordable foundations you don't get much shade, but in this one you get 15 different shades, so that's a really good thing. Now next for concealer, I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer. I have this one in the shade 03 Light Moyen. It's a very good concealer. It has a very nice creamy consistency. It provides a very good coverage, but still it is not heavy. It's very lightweight and it's very easy to blend. Now I'll use a brush to blend the concealer around the eyes because that will provide more coverage. So the brush which I'm using is from Cuffs and Lashes. It's their concealer brush. Now I'll go over with a sponge for a better finish. Now I'll quickly set the under eyes before it creases, but I won't set the whole face because I have one cream product as well to use today. To set the concealer, I'm using this loose powder from Mars Cosmetics. This is their Trendsetter loose powder. I have this one in the shade Translucent. So the cream product which I was talking about is this one from Cuffs and Lashes. This is again their cover part, but this one is in the shade 12. I'll use this product as a cream contour today. I'll use this concealer brush only to apply this because I don't have any other specific brush to apply this cream contour. Now I'll apply the same loose powder from Mars Cosmetics on rest of the face where I applied concealer. And also I'll apply this here to give proper definition, like more definition to the contour. Now let's do the eyes. So for eyes I have this eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. It's their Ultimate Shadow Palette, and this one I have in the variant 04. So first I'm using this shade as my crease shade. I'm using the brush CS06 from Shy Style collection. Next I'll use this shade as a transition shade, and I'll blend this crease color using this shade, and for that I'm using this brush CS05. Next I'm taking this shade and I'm applying this shade on my outer V's and on the outer crease to give a depth to this eye look. I'm using the same brush. So today I'm thinking of doing a cut crease since I have not done it from a really long time. So I'm using the same concealer from Swiss Beauty, and I'm using this brush from Cuffs and Lashes. This is their E003 brush. I actually prefer more precise brushes, like more smaller brushes, but I don't have any such brush in Cuffs and Lashes, so I'm using this one only. Next I'm taking this middle shade. So this metallic shade from Swiss Beauty palette doesn't perform very good. So with the finger it was not giving very good pigmentation. So I'm using this wet brush. So the brush which I'm using is 004. So I'm again using this shade which I applied on my outer V's, and I'm increasing the intensity a little bit. And I'm also blending this color with the crease color. So now for my lower lash line, I'm taking this shade and this shade. Next for liner, I'm using this product again, this Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 product, and I'll use this gel liner. And to apply this liner, I'm using this brush from Shy Styles range, CS08. This is a really good eyeliner brush. For kajal, I'm using this K-Beauty kajal. This one is in the shade Spade. Now for blush, I'm using this Cuppy Cakes from Cuffs and Lashes. I have this one in the shade Latest Baby. For highlighter, I'm using this Private Show highlighter from Mars Cosmetics. I don't remember the shade of this, but the number is 06. To apply this, I'm using this Shy Style brush CS02. This highlighter is actually not looking that good. The color is little dark for me. So, but yeah, anyway. So I'll use the same highlighter to highlight my brow bones and inner corners. Sorry guys, I don't have any makeup spray under 300, but I have one affordable spray, which is this one from Wet n Wild. It's their coconut primer water. This one retails for 4.99 rupees, I think. Now next for mascara, I am using this Lash Princess mascara from Essence. This is my current favorite mascara. This is a very good mascara. It provides very nice volume to the lashes and it curls the lashes as well very well. So let's complete this look with a lipstick, and for that I'm using this Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick. This one I have in the shade Cute Nude. This is a really beautiful lipstick and the color is also very pretty. It's a creamy lipstick, it's a creamy matte formula, so it's very easy to apply. Also, it's not a transfer proof lipstick, it will easily transfer and it will last for like 3 to 4 hours. So guys, this is the final look and I think it is looking very pretty. What do you think guys? Do you like this look or not? Please let me know in the comment box. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video, this look, and you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.